Refresh. Yeah. Yes. Is it clear? Of course it is clear, I think so. Yeah, now let me see. I'm not going to take too many hours. Okay, so here is a mind map. How to download the Screencast-O-Matic in your mobile phone. Okay, first I had given a written up concept, mind map, for to download the app in your mobile phone. This is a short mind map. Still we are having a lot of confusion how to download. Okay, so this is a short type of thing which may be useful for you, how to download Screencast-O-Matic in your mobile. It will help for all the teachers to make the PowerPoint into video. Okay, I straight away I'll be coming for this. The symbol of this mind map, this mind map, this is the mind map. Okay, for download the app in your mobile phone, it is given like this. Okay, and the app will be seen like this, Screencast-O-Matic. Okay, this is the app. This is the app what you are going to download in your mobile phone. Good. The mind map for this is first step. What you want to do means go to the Play Store. First you want to go for Play Store. One. The second, in the Play Store, when you go for the Play Store, it will open. Okay, Google Play you want to go, then go to Play Store. You just type it as Screencast-O-Matic, then it will come. In that you want to upload. Okay, after finishing that you want to download that. Okay, Screencast-O-Matic you want to download. It is all given in the YouTube. You can go and search. This is the mind map what I had given for this. So first you are going for Play Store. In the mobile you want to click Play Store, then there you can see Screencast-O. If you type it, the app you can see there. In that you want to download that app. Then after installation it will ask, then you can install all this. So the way which you are installed, it will see like this. So first step, go to play, then Screencast-O-Matic, then you want to download the app in your mobile and click open. It will take some time. Yes, it will take some time. Then fourth step, for reference it asks your Google account. If you are having an earlier, it's good. Or create a new consisting of some questions like your name and answer, and so some of the things it will be asking you. Then you want to enter all the things. It will take some quite short minute only. Then the fifth step, what you are going to do means, now you download it, the Screencast-O-Matic app in your mobile. And how can you use this? So this is the way you can download it. Now you are in a position to use the PowerPoint, as converted as a video. So before that you may be having in your mobile phone as PowerPoint or something else regarding the slides, regarding the lesson, regarding whatever the things you are having, that you will be having in that. So before that you want to make a PowerPoint and keep it ready. And after downloading this app, you can convert the PowerPoint into video. How I am using it now, you are seeing this. So this is the next one, the fifth point. PowerPoint as video means create PowerPoint earlier and click the screen or OMAT icon. App first and open the PowerPoint. Click record button and start with your audio as well as video. And finally, click edit. It will show provide your face video and merge and save. Send it in group. Okay. Whether you understand, if you do it, you can understand. It is a very simple. And also this app is free. There will be no any payment for this. This app is very free only. So it is a very useful app for all the teachers, those who are using. They want to convert their PowerPoint which they had made it in a laptop in Word format or with animation or so and so. But all the Word formats what you are doing, you can convert them into video and you can send it by WhatsApp. This is a simpler way that you can create a PowerPoint PPT, normal PPT. You can convert that PPT into video. Thank you for listening and viewing this mind map. Thank you, thank you, thank you.